Stop button. Pause button.
Hello guys, and subukan natin tong game na Farm RPG. Kung ano ba tong games na to. So, welcome ulit.
Stop button.
So, explore lang muna tayo ngayon. Dito sa laro.
Home button. Home screen. Screen 1 of 3.
Kung ma-double tap pa natin o ma-explore ba.
Camera. Choice. Home. Contact. Drive. Facebook. Farm as a dinner. Farm RPG.
Okay.
Farm RPG.
Teka lang.
Characters. Default. Media volume. TTS volume. TTS rate. More information link. 70. 65. Media volume. Default navigation.
Okay.
Quick meal panel is per. Characters. Words. Lines. Paragraphs. Headings. Controls. Links. Land. Links. Quick meal panel is currently in beta. Quick link. Refresh. Quick. Consume a meal. Link. Quick meal. More. Code. Side menu link.
Teka lang.
Farm. Refresh camera link. Welcome farmer Lillis D. Shopper. A_088 traffic. Let's get started. You have some seeds you can plant. Hit my farm below to get to your farm. You can buy more seeds in town. My farm name. Lone Oak Pastures link. Farm 2 graphic. Let's get started. Side menu link. Farm. Refresh camera link. Welcome farm A_088 traffic. Let's get started. My farm name. Lone Oak Pastures.
Okay. Subok-subok lang naman to kung ano ba. Kaya ba natin itong malaro, no? So, iba to sa ano.
My inventory prone crops, items, materials, link.
So, may ano tawag ito? Mas iba to sa Farm 3XB accessible. Kasi dito, online to. So, try lang natin.
Inventory graphic.
Okay.
My inventory prone crops, items, material. My workshop add to your farm. Workshop graphic. My workshop add to your farm to unlock. Locked. Go into graphic. Go into town, buy and sell. Improve your farm. Link.
Okay.
And graphic. Go into town, buy and sell. Go into town, buy and sell. Go fishing, see what you can catch. Link. Go fishing, see what you can. This graphic. Explore. Go mining now. Explore the area. Find new places to explore. Bank graphic. Bank deposit your devote farming level 30 required log at link. Bank deposit your silver link. Bank devote farming level 30 required log at link. Full graphic. Devote farming level 30 locked. State locked. Devote farming level 30 required. Full devote bank finance locked. Wheel of spinner graph. Wheel of fortune 6 on sale. Farm supply graphic. Farm supply up. Flea market buy special strip market graphic. Flea market buy special items with gold link. Farmers market shops graphic. Farmers market sell crop. Buy here. Country store buy seeds and material. Story graphic. Country market district has a lot to offer when Red Brick link. The town of Red Brick link. The town link. Bang. Bag link. Link. Bag link. The town of Red Brick link. Farm web 2. Bag link. Bang. Link. Bag link. Library. Link. Bank about the bank. The bank allows you to 1% every 8 million. Silver, 15 hours 58 M14s. Here, per 0 silver. View specific amounts. Deposit, 1,000. The button. Withdraw, 1,000. The button. Deposit all 5. Deposit all 500. Withdraw. With 0. World map link.
So, ano lang naman to, no? Hindi naman tayo magpe-play dito. So, pinalinig ko lang. Kasi kailangan to ng login. So, narinig nyo naman siguro, no? May nakalagay na login. So, hindi tayo nakalagin dito. So,
this is the first official town map of Redbrook for Farm RPG. This map was created by Jameling. Period. Legend. 1. Click here for a larger version in your browser. HTTP. This is the first official world map for Red. And click here for a link. Library. 20.
So,
500.
focus natin sa ibang games.
Silver. When like H click and edit it. This is the H click 1 let period. Check this world 0 withdraw deposit 1,000 withdraw 1,000 deposit specific view 0 currently period 15 silver 8 mil F1 the bank graphic link library back link
Back natin.
farm web 2 back town link town link town back link. Backlink. The town red has a lot to offer. Market story graphic. Country store by seed. Market district. Country store. Buy here. Farm. Shops graphic. Farm. Buy. Country store by seeds and materials. Buy here. Farmers market sell crops, items and cod fish link. Shops. Farmers market sell crop. Flea market. Strip market graphic. Flea market buy special items with gold. Farm supply upgrade and improve your farm. Supply graphic. Farm supply upgrade and improve your farm. 6 on sale. Wheel of Fortune farming level 50 required login link. Spinner graphic.
O, di ba? Sabi ito, required login daw.
Wheel of Fortune farming level 50 required login link.
So, gusto ko lang iparinig. So, hindi naman tayo magpe-play dito, no? So, para, to, magamit. So, kailangan mo nang mag-login. No? Kailangan mong mag-login dito para, siyempre, magamit mo yung laro. O, gamit mo yung ibang opsyon. So, dahil hindi tayo nakalagin dito, medyo mahirap din yung pag-login dito kung paano, no? So, ilagay ko lang sa link o sa comment section yung link ng games na to, no? Kung gusto nyo. So, yun lang siguro guys, no? Mas maganda daw gamitin ito yung Prudence. So, yung ginamit ko ngayon yung Prudence.
Wheel of Fortune farming level 50 required.
O, diba?
Locked. Wheel of Fortune farming level 50 required. Spinner. Wheel of Fortune farming level 50 required login link.
O, diba? Required mo lang mag-login para makaano ka dito. Gamit ka ng ibang opsyon.
Overview. Recent. Clean up. 1. Farm RPG. Recorder.
So, lalagay ko na lang
00704. Stop. Pause. Button.
Comment section yung link para makita nyo yung Farm RPG. So, kayo na yung bahala kung ano ba yung gawin nyo dito. So, yun lang guys, and magandang araw.